Let's make some creamy German potato soup. To start, we'll peel, wash, and chop our potatoes. Then we're going to do the same with our soup greens. You'll find those pre-packaged in the vegetable aisle. And it's okay if the mix might vary a little bit. Today, mine had carrot, turnip, onion, parsnip, celery, leek, and actually also some dill and parsley. So we chop all of this up, and then we're going to chop up some wieners, set them aside, add the potatoes and veggies to a large pot, add 4 cups of beef broth or vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, add some nutmeg and heavy cream, let it cook until tender, then get an immersion blender and blend real well. If you don't have one, just throw it in a regular blender and put it back in the pot. Now it's time to add the wieners. We're giving them a stir, let them warm up, and now we'll serve. And you get to enjoy this super creamy, super delicious German potato soup. For more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.